Hello guys, this is experiment number 3, interfacing with MSP430G2553 microcontroller. In this experiment we will be testing interrupt module to control an LED using a switch. In the last experiment I have used the developer kit switch which is present here, but here what happens is that there is some debouncing bouncing occurs while operating the switch, so I have forced to use delay loop inside the interrupt module. But using delay loop inside the interrupt module will cause the program to be very bad, so I have found a way to remove the delay loop. So we will be using an external switch which is present here. But the thing why I used external switches to connect a parallel capacitor. Here I have connected 10 microfarad capacitor parallel to the switch, and the switch is configured as pull-up configuration. So let's see the working. As you can see, while I pressed and released the switch, the LED turned on. This is because I have configured a raising edge interrupt. So while the switch is again pressed and released, only at that moment LED turns on. And again, and that's why LED turned off. But here if you can see that some error has happened in between the operation. This is because the capacitor charging is very slow in here due to this is a very low power microcontroller. So for removing the bouncings we have used an external LED. Thank you.